If you have already purchased or subscribed on ChatGPT Plus, then how you can simply cancel your subscription available on your ChatGPT. For this, what you need to do is simply go on your browser and click on the official website where you can see the Start More option available on the screen. Now, this is the ChatGPT, and what I have to do is mainly now, on the ChatGPT, what you can do is click on the left bottom of screen. As you can see, my plan is free right now. If you have the plus plan, then whenever you will click on the bottom left corner of the screen, you will be able to see the account management of your ChatGPT profile. And from the same menu, you can simply check the payment method and you can delete the payment method or change it from the menu, then your subscription will be cancelled. Or you can also reach out to the customer care service of ChatGPT to get support about it to get your subscription or your money back refund on your bank account. This is all about the video, how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel for watching more updates, reviews, and videos like this.